When markets reopen to start the week, the focus is going to be on the yen with the Japanese upper house elections. Forecasters show the ruling party losing its majority. Japan is also closed on Monday for a holiday, so it's going to be a thin market. The elections are held on Sunday, and the exit polls will come right out after polls close. So just looking at purely the charts, the key range is the high and low set on the day last week when headlines rocked the market with Trump rumored to be looking to fire Fed Chair Powell. Range 146.85, 149.18. So looking at how the market closed, 149.18 is the key level. If there are any stops in the market, they'll be above there. What didn't make sense on Friday was dollar yen was offers for a good part of the day till it closed at its high of the session, but did hold above 148, and that's a pivotal level. As long as it stays above 148, it's going to trade with a bid. So what happens? This is not a normal market. Well, you expect the Bank of Japan going to be in there, trying to cool the upside if the yen falls sharply on the election results. They'll be in the bond market as well, likely, to try to temper any fallout. So just be aware that the market has a risk of gapping on Monday. If there's a gap, it's likely to be on the dollar yen upside. You have to come all the way down here before you break any key technical levels on the downside. So it's the proximity of the upside likely might see a gap above here. If we went to a longer term chart, using a daily chart, the next level will be 150.5 to 151, around 30 or so. So just be aware on the opening next week, we're not going to have a normal opening. Got Japan elections. If you had to put odds on how the market would move, it would probably gap above that 149.18. But just be aware the Bank of Japan is likely to be lurking above, trying to temper any sharp reaction to the election results. On the downside, as long as it stays above 148, it's going to have a bid on dips, with 150 clearly the pivotal level on the upside. As I said, resistance at 150.5 to 150.130.